What if the secret to better sleep and enhanced blood circulation was already in your supplement cabinet? L-arginine, a powerful amino acid known for its role in cardiovascular health and nitric oxide production, has become a go-to for athletes and health enthusiasts alike. But what happens when you take it at night? The timing could make all the difference. L-arginine plays a key role in producing nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and supports improved blood flow. This process is essential for heart health, exercise performance, and even sexual function. But the benefits don't stop there. Some studies suggest that taking L-arginine before bed could help you sleep more deeply and recover more efficiently. When your body is at rest, it enters a natural repair mode. Nighttime L-arginine supplementation may support this by enhancing circulation to vital tissues and promoting better oxygen delivery throughout the night. This can lead to improved recovery from physical exertion, reduced muscle soreness, and a greater sense of restfulness in the morning. Some users also report experiencing vivid dreams and a deeper sleep state when supplementing before bedtime. The potential sleep-enhancing benefits of L-arginine may also be linked to its impact on growth hormone release. During deep sleep, the body naturally releases growth hormone, which plays a crucial role in tissue repair and muscle development. L-arginine may stimulate this release, making it a valuable addition to your nightly wellness routine. However, the timing and dosage are critical. Too much L-arginine or taking it too close to bedtime may cause restlessness in some people, especially those sensitive to changes in blood pressure or stimulation. It's also essential to consider your unique health status. Individuals with low blood pressure or on medications for cardiovascular conditions should consult a healthcare professional before beginning any new supplement, including L-arginine. If you're looking to boost blood flow, improve sleep quality, or simply enhance your nightly recovery, experimenting with L-arginine under professional guidance could open the door to a better night's rest and a stronger morning. Have you ever taken L-arginine before bed? What changes did you notice in your sleep or recovery?